Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to add trigger groups to your mission. Trigger groups can be added to missions that use a trigger or mixed challenge mode. Trigger groups may use QR codes or the image recognition feature, otherwise known as IR. First, you'll want to select the mission that you would like to add a trigger group to. To add a new trigger group to your mission, select Create Trigger Group. The trigger type toggle indicates which type of trigger will be used to unlock a challenge or set of challenges. By selecting a QR trigger type, the mission maker will generate a QR code for you. Name the trigger group something that will help you associate it with the challenge or challenges that you would like it linked to. Once you've named your trigger group, you have the option to print, download, or save it. To add an image recognition trigger, or an IR trigger, we will once again select Create a Trigger Group, and we will toggle the trigger type to IR. The IR item group indicates which set of IR triggers you would like to choose from, and the IR trigger item identifies the image or object that will be used to unlock a challenge or set of challenges. Once you have selected the IR trigger item, choose a name that will assist you with linking the trigger group to the appropriate challenge or set of challenges. Once you are happy with it, click Save. To link a challenge or set of challenges to a trigger group, click on the Challenges button next to your desired trigger group. Here, you can click and drag the trigger group icon to place it somewhere within your map boundaries. Place the trigger group icon in the location that you intend to have your QR or IR trigger item posted so that players know where they need to go to scan the trigger group. You can add one or multiple challenges to a trigger group by selecting the Add button next to the desired challenges. Again, you can drag and drop your challenge icons to the desired location as you link them to your trigger group. Remember to save when you are done. To link challenges to my second trigger group, I will follow the same process by selecting the Challenges button next to my desired trigger group. You will notice that a warning icon will appear next to the challenges that I've already linked to my Animals trigger group. If I want to add this challenge to this trigger group, it will no longer be linked to my Animals trigger group. Once you are happy with the challenges that you've linked to your trigger group, press Save. If at any point you would like to edit the trigger group, simply select the Edit pencil on the right. You may also delete a trigger group by selecting the Delete button. And that is how you add trigger groups to your mission. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.